In Chinese, when we count the nouns, we usually use major word. And the order is number, major word, and noun. Before noun, there is major word. Before major word, there's number. For example, when we count cake, there's a piece of cake. 一个蛋糕. And when we count a book, we use 本 to count. 1, 2. 两本书. Here, we don't say 二本书. No, no, no. Before major word, we pronounce 二 to 两. It's the rule. So we say 两本书, not 二本书. And we want to ask how many. Do you remember we use 几 to ask number? 几 is question word. So how many flowers? 几朵花. We count 花, use 朵. So 几朵花. Major word just like the concept of what type of a unit you count the noun. Major words just like unit that you count the noun. Here, the noun is 台湾朋友. 朋友. People, we use 个 to count. And I want to know how many. I want to ask the number, use 几 to ask. So, 你有几个台湾朋友? 你有几个台湾朋友? The number is 3. 三个台湾朋友. 我有3个台湾朋友. 我有3个台湾朋友. Count people use 个. Here, the noun is 书, 中文书. We count 书, use 本 to count. Ask a number, use 几. 你有几本中文书? 你有几本中文书? 我有5本中文书. The noun is 新同学. 同学, people, we use 个 to count. 你们有几个新同学? 你们有几个新同学? Before major word, the number is 2. We pronounce 两. So 两个新同学. 我们有2个新同学. 我们有2个新同学. See you next time. Bye.